Hi, I'm Nick Nichols, founder of Radical Networks here in Las Vegas. Your business has just left the garage and you're starting to build your customer base. For me, it felt a lot like starting a family. And being a parent, I can relate. Your first child is an exciting learning experience. And then you have a second one. Wow, this is really amazing. We have 2 miracles. It's everything that you wanted it to be. But then it happens. What the kids call an OMG moment. That moment when suddenly there is not enough time in the day. Time for you, your son, your daughter, your wife, and oh my God, I gotta go back to work. At this point in the life of your business, technology can truly help you succeed. But how? Well, if you're like most successful business people or parents, you do what comes naturally. You adapt and learn. At Radical Networks, we get it. Having been a small business owner for 30 plus years, combined with over 20 years of technology experience, we know exactly how to integrate technology into your business with the least amount of pain so that we help better separate you from your competitors. So what's the first step? Give us a call at the phone number below. I promise we won't waste your time.